Welcome to Amuda Kumar's online digital marketing course. 1. Introduction to WordPress. Discover the powerful features and versatility of WordPress as a content management system. 2. WordPress Installation. Learn how to install WordPress on a web server or local development environment. 3. WordPress Dashboard and Navigation. Navigate the WordPress dashboard and explore its various sections. 4. Creating and managing posts. Master the art of creating, editing, and publishing engaging blog posts or articles. 5. Creating and managing pages. Understand the difference between posts and pages and effectively manage static pages on your WordPress site. 6. Customizing the appearance. Personalize your site's look and feel by installing and customizing WordPress themes. 7. Working with plugins. Enhance your site's functionality by finding, installing, and utilizing plugins. 8. Managing media. Organize and incorporate media files into your content, such as images, videos, and documents. 9. WordPress Widgets. Add dynamic content to your site sidebars and footers using widgets. 10. Creating navigation menus. Design custom navigation menus to improve site navigation for your visitors. 11. User management and permissions. Control user access and manage user roles on your WordPress site. 12. Search engine optimization (SEO). With WordPress, optimize your site's content and settings to improve search engine visibility. 13. WordPress Security. Safeguard your site from security threats by implementing best practices and utilizing security plugins. 14. Performance optimization. Boost your site's speed and performance through caching, image optimization, and server optimization techniques. 15. WordPress Backup and Maintenance. Protect your site's data with regular backups and perform necessary updates and maintenance tasks. 16. E-commerce with WordPress. Create and manage an online store using WordPress plugins and themes. 17. WordPress Multilingual Sites. Build multilingual websites using plugins and configure language options. 18. Troubleshooting and Support. Resolve common issues and seek assistance from the WordPress community and support resources. To apply or read the complete article, check the link in the description.